Okay, these are the polygons that I draw. Okay, let us try to identify them. Let us count their sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what do you call a 12-sided polygon? Correct. It is the decagon. What about the second? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will repeat. 1. We start from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. How many? What kind of polygon is it? 10-sided. Very good. It's the decagon. The decagon is 11. Decagon. What about the next figure? The next geometry. 1, 2, 3. I start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 10. This is 12. This is 8. What do you call this? Very good. It's octagon. Correct. An 8-sided polygon is called octagon. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 sides. It is correct. Good job. Quadrilateral. What about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 again. So we call that again octagon. So I hope I gave you a little knowledge about polygons, and do not forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel. Hindi po ako talaga yung ICT or techie or whatever. Wala po ako mga gadgets. Wala po akong magandang camera. Hindi rin po ako marunong mag-edit. Ang inyong abang lingkod lang ay napaka simpleng plain housewife na nandito lang sa bahay at walang ginagawa. Kaya nagbibigay po ng mga kaalamang pangkaisipan at kaalamang pangkaluluwa at ano naman pong mga kaalaman. Once again, this is your acronym individual saying magandang buhay, mabuting tao, and God bless us all.